What if I told you that smart marketers are hosting unlimited websites and domains on super fast cloud servers for 100 years at an unbeatable one-time record low price? Finally, it's time for you to stop throwing your hard-earned money on expensive monthly hosting companies like GoDaddy, HostGator, Bluehost, etc. Imagine in just a blink of an eye, you're able to host unlimited websites and domains on super fast cloud-based servers. Unlimited bandwidth with no monthly or yearly fee ever. Free SSL encryption. Keep your site safe with full protection. Create your own professional email accounts. One-click WordPress integration. Install your site on WordPress in just a few clicks. 100% uptime and 24/7 technical support. Easy-to-use control panel and automated daily backup. Firewall protection. Now keep your site safe from hackers and malware attacks. And many more for a one-time low investment. Were you stuck and struggling to find your breakthrough? Paying through the nose over thousands of dollars per year? Do you have tons of limitations with your prior hosting? Your business is failing due to your super low-speed servers? Are you losing your customers and sales? Are you not able to fulfill your family's basic needs? Are you not able to give your life a new direction? If you're facing such challenges, then today you're at the right place. Finally, you have the biggest opportunity of 2021 knocking at your door. Introducing GoProHost, the ultimate web hosting solution that let you host unlimited websites and domains on super fast cloud servers. Its cakewalk setup makes site live in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Enter. Log into GoProHost and enter your domain details. Add unlimited websites and domains. Step 2. Host and setup. Host and setup. Host unlimited websites and domains in just a few clicks. Install WordPress on your sites with our end-to-end SSL encryption. Step 3. Enjoy sales and traffic. Our blazing fast servers loads the pages at lightning speed that helps in generating web traffic, sales, and commissions instantly. Now it's time to skyrocket your business and boost your income. Stitch the whole of your pocket. Don't throw your hard-earned money in the hands of expensive hosting platforms. Ironclad security and privacy. Keep your site and businesses protected by encrypting and protecting from hackers. Reinvesting your money in marketing. Invest your saved money on other marketing stuff and bring in more traffic and sales. Increase the conversion of your website. GoProHost loads your pages at lightning speed, converting visitors into buyers. It's a perfect solution for website owners, online marketers, affiliate marketers, online store owners, anyone who wants to make their site secure, anyone who wants to 10 times their online business, anyone who's searching for a better web hosting, anyone who wants to save more money. And to make getting GoHost Pro a no-brainer, we're including bonuses allowing you to take GoProHost to the next level. You won't find anything else like GoProHost anywhere else while being so cheap. We could easily get away with charging a yearly fee of $997, and plenty would take us up on that. After all, it would quickly save you huge amounts and prevent you from wasting your hard-earned money. But we know what it's like to struggle. We can relate to all the web hosting companies that suck huge amounts from your pocket monthly, which is why we're going to give away GoProHost at a price anyone could afford. We won't charge a yearly fee of $497, not $297, not $47. Heck, you won't even pay a yearly fee at all. We'll grant you access to GoProHost for just a small one-time investment when you click the button below. And to make your purchase risk-free, we're giving you a full 30 days to make sure your GoProHost is right for you. But if this doesn't work, you win either way. The risk is on our side. But don't wait, because the price rises every 30 minutes and with every sale. So what are you waiting for? You've come to the right place at the right time. You finally have the chance to use something real, something that works. This is not another expensive monthly money-sucking web hosting platform. We're using this ourselves to host all our websites and domains and saving every month. Are you ready to start saving your money? Click the button below to get your copy of GoProHost at the lowest price. We'll see you inside.